In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery of this Dodge Magnum key fob. This particular key fob, to the best of my knowledge, was only used on Magnums made in 2008. And this one here just takes one of these CR2032 batteries. All you will need is one of these batteries and just a simple flathead screwdriver. If you'd like to pick one of these up online, the battery that is, I have left a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and click on that link, get your tool, and just follow along with me here. First, just look down to where this key ring is here. You can see this indentation in the plastic right there. And then if you follow the seam between the two halves of the key fob along, just come to that little corner there between this hole and that seam. And we're just going to take our flathead screwdriver and kind of wiggle it in to that corner. Pretty easy, and then from there you just twist. You just turn kind of like a key there, and you will be able to then just pull it apart with your fingers like that. Set that to the side, carefully remove the buttons, set that to the side, and here we have our battery. You can just very easily lift it out with your finger or your flathead screwdriver, just be careful. And there we have it, 2032 battery. Take your new one and make sure this positive side goes face down. Find that little housing there and just push it into place just like it was before. Very easy now to just put the buttons back on top and click this back into place. And once you have done that, you are all set and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.